Bonjour. So today there's no class. It's Friday. We don't have Zoom together, but you still have homework. So the homework for today is to look at the lockers that we had. So it says on Google Classroom, Friday, 8:21, homework. Look at the lockers. There is no Zoom today. You will get homework. Please look at the lockers everybody made this week. Then you will answer a question about who likes the same things as you. So you click here and you'll get to see it says look at everyone's locker and then answer the question at the end of the Google slides. So here's my locker, Miss Nguyen. So you should look at it and read my 5 sentences. And then here's Lumo's and her sentences and Maria's. So I put everybody's here. So I want you to look at all of these. And then you're going to go here. It says your homework, things in common. After looking at the lockers, write down some things you have that are the same with someone else in the class. Write your sentences like this. Me and blank both like blank. So I looked, and let's look at Johnny's, and I'm looking at Johnny's, and oh, I like pizza too. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to write me and Johnny both like pizza. Right, so you're going to find something that is the same with you and somebody else in the class. And I want you to find 5 things. Okay, so that's your homework for Friday. When you're done, you can share it with me and turn it in right here to Google Classroom. Okay, have a good weekend.